So we are at Young Scientist India, and we are talking to a lot of young innovators, the future of the world, who are going to shape the world, and makers and innovator of the future world. Fasta Pizza fueling the future from India.
I wholeheartedly thank Faster Pizza for understanding the emotions of this whole innovative challenge and giving us or helping my children have lovely pizzas for lunch today.
So we have Dr. Srimati Kesan with us, founder of Space Kids India. We would like to know from her what is the vision she has and how she is going to impact the future of the world. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Jatanji. I'm absolutely honored to be here. And it's a very, very emotional moment for me because we've been doing this national challenge for almost 13 years. And this is where I handpicked my core team, the rare gems I have to tell, and all from rural India. For India, we need such go-getters. We don't want only scientists who can just sit inside a lab and say, I can build all these things if I have all these things. When you don't have, how can you build? So that is what is Resilient India, and that is what is Young Scientist India. Space industry, we've got about 6 children who've built their separate companies going to US, from rural India to US, building their own company. So this is what is Space Kids India's mission, to build a strong India which is not only innovating but able to build for the world, sell it to the world, bring everybody to India.
Great.
This is our motto.
Great. So we have Sivayum from Hyderabad, one of the youngest talents of our country. He came out with an amazing innovation. So he's going to explain about the purpose of this innovation and what is the vision he has. Over to you.
Alright, so thank you Jatin sir for giving me this awesome opportunity. So basically I am Shivayu Banerjee. I am a founder of a startup which a few of my other friends help out sometimes. So basically this is a sign language translator designed for both online and offline scenarios. What you're seeing here is one of the very few existing sign language gloves in the entire world. It's a company in UK known as BrightSign, and they cost about $2,400, I repeat US dollars, per hand. It's 5 lakh INR and far too expensive. This on the other hand costs under 2,000 rupees per hand. A much more affordable and needed step. Think about all the people we can uplift. In India alone, we have around 66 to 63 to 66 million deaf people as stated by WHO according to 2022 data. Look around you. We have around 200 young innovators here. The statistics say we should have 6 to 12 deaf people, but we do not see them. That is because of a lack of their integration into society. While we might not be able to change society, we can definitely build a better future with technology. So basically how this technology works is that we have some inertial measurement sensors on each single finger. We also have some IMUs here along with some supporting processing and transmission hardware. So basically this detects the various sign languages that we do. This sends over to processing to any accompanying laptop or phone. And we have used TensorFlow Lite models which are so fast. This is able to process in just 1 millisecond every single sign, meaning that in a blink of an eye, this has already processed 100 times. Now coming to our online solutions, when for example someone is joining a meeting, Zoom meeting, oftentimes he has complained, a deaf individual, he has complained that actually the people don't want to wait for them to type in chat, and in India only 350 certified Indian in sign language interpreters are there. That is not enough. So basically what it does is that the onboard system from the own camera, means any system with a camera can detect the sign language that you perform in front of it and show live subtitles on your camera feed itself. Means someone can pin your video feed and they can see what kind of sign language you are doing. We have also integrated this with various AI so that we can also gather context. One important complaint that deaf people have given is that, let's say we are having sign language translation technology, but if I'm talking to Jatin sir over here or some ma'am over there, technology doesn't know who I'm talking to or what I'm pointing to. This camera enables the system to know what I'm talking to, who I'm talking to, so that this can actually help the people more. Facial expressions and non-manual markers. Thank you once again sir for the opportunity. This is seriously amazing. Thank you so much. Met a lot of amazing people here.
Wow.
Thank
so
you.
See our young innovator for the global world. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
and
sir.
Best of luck. Best of luck.
Thank you sir.